Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on the best car sunshades for 2023. In this video, I'll be going over 5 of the top-rated sunshades on the market, based on factors such as UV protection, ease of use, and price. The first sunshade on my list is the EcoNour Windshield Car Sunshade. This sunshade is made of a thick, durable material that blocks up to 99% of UV rays. It's also CARB certified and meets all safety standards. The EcoNour sunshade is easy to install and remove. It has a fold-down design that makes it compact and easy to store. It's also very affordable, making it a great value for your money. Why you need a car sunshade? There are a few reasons why you need a car sunshade. First, it can help to keep your car cooler on hot days. The sun's rays can heat up your car's interior very quickly, and a sunshade can help to block out some of that heat. This can save you money on air conditioning costs. Second, a car sunshade can help to protect your car's interior from fading. The sun's UV rays can damage your car's dashboard, seats, and other interior components. A sunshade can help to block out those rays and protect your car's interior from fading. Third, a car sunshade can help to reduce glare. When the sun is shining directly into your windshield, it can be difficult to see the road. A sunshade can help to reduce the glare and make it easier to see. So, those are just a few reasons why you need a car sunshade. If you don't have one yet, I highly recommend getting one. It's a small investment that can save you money and protect your car's interior. In the next part of the video, I'll be going over each of the sunshades on my list.